what happens. Yeah, just have fun with it. And then your answer comes in. Put them all together and like videos in the site. Put them all together and like videos in the site.
Oh, probably cross between Uncle Bob and Greg Young. Really like Greg Young's CQRS style of programming, even though I've never quite achieved it.
Put them all together and like videos in the site.
Oh, had to learn to program all over again. No idea. Probably start off with, I probably didn't know was Java's bad and slow, and just skip Java entirely. Jump straight into any other language and just code whatever you love. I mean, I've been doing it since I was little, so I mean, no other change. Just keep on coding. It's not a perfect language, not a perfect framework, there's nothing perfect. You just always hack and always learn and improve stuff. Open source project, large impact. I would have to say Rails, just because it's revolutionized so many other frameworks as well. Just the structure of and how you can build apps fastest with that sort of convention over configuration. I think the main thing with that I loved was before any other framework that like Rails revolutionized was that I can start it up, Rails new, and I'm programming business needs and logic and not worrying about any of the technical stuff before, hey, I want to build a database. All right, now we got to spend a day figuring out how we're doing migrations, what database we're going to use, how we're going to do CSS, and all that jazz is all just figured out for you. And you can start day one with what feature do we want to implement first. So that's why I love Rails. So many things in software right now. I'd say right now, I guess, be React, even though it's so new and so crazy that it's hard to keep track, especially Flux. I can tell you right now, time machine and go back. We do not need another Flux framework. We have about 50,000 Flux frameworks. No more Flux frameworks. We're done. Game over. Just if you want something new or different, take an existing one and do a pull request. Let's all consolidate. This is getting crazy. I'm saying nothing I'd rather be doing. I love programming. It's always what I've done. I got an MBA back when I was young, and I was thought, why am I even here? I love programming. And every time I think, hey, I want to go explore something else, it's some like, hey, I want to open up a restaurant. As I follow that dream further down, I end up writing some sort of piece of software that makes running a restaurant easier. As I know, I'm a programmer. And, I think Scott Hanselman points out too, is like, programmers are the type of people that are sitting at the airport, and the guy's creating your ticket. You're like leaning over, looking at the computer saying, hey, what is your interface like? Do you like this system? Weirdest face can make. That's as weird I got.
Very good. What's up, man? Come on over, get a shirt. Go. Who is it, mate?